Our students are very excited for it, so let's get a visit to it. Come. Here are our students who are being in line and have great enthusiasm to vote for their respective candidates.
Student, head boy and head girls. Second category is discipline head boy and girl. Then third category is for cultural captain boy and captain boy and fifth that is personal hygiene. Students are enjoying and they are understanding. Our motto is to make it clear that what is democracy and how the democracy will be stronger in our country. And these are actually the new generation of our country. They can become the citizen of our country, adult. And
We don't want to bound our children. What did you think of our thinking of regarding this democratical thing?
The students should know India is the largest democratic country in the world. They shouldn't know how the democracy works and what is the power of democracy. They should realize they will get the right to vote after the age of 18. But in this age, they will know how democracy works and how democracy has the power. It's right.
As we hear, according to sir, there should not be any age limit to vote to have our views. So our democratical things are going on. So let's visit. Advocate Tharokar sir.
The two meetings are, we have checked already the Aadhaar card and everything. We have checked according to the election policy. So we are taking this for the student council, actually school student council, in which there are 5 categories. One is handwork, handwork. Second category is of discipline, while third category is cultural, one captain, one. Fourth one is food captain, one. And fifth one, health and hygiene, one. How do the people get elected? How do the representatives are elected? These are the candidates actually, on which they would stamp. The symbols that will be given. Then so candidates before that is also given. So student will choose the correct candidate for the given of this.
So respected advocate Tarokar sir are with us. So let's ask him his opinion about our election. So sir, you have just visited our election booth. So what are you feeling about it? How you feel about it?
Actually, firstly, I would like to best of luck to all of you. And when I see your all process, I am very impressive. It's all your procedure is all about our democratic election contested. The students are casting their votes. Their Aadhaar cards also scrutinized or verified, and after that they are casting vote. It is totally impartial and true process to elected the candidate. And I think those candidates elected by this election, they represent the class and they represent our institution. It's so best, one of best, I think.
So as we just hear our sir's opinion. हमारे बच्चे यहाँ वोटिंग्स कर रहे हैं और अभी हम 7th स्टैंडर्ड पे जाएंगे ये पूछने के लिए कि उनके वोटिंग्स हुए हैं या नहीं हुए हैं। तो 7th स्टैंडर्ड आपकी वोटिंग्स हो चुके हैं? कैसा लगा? लोकशाही था? लोकशाही था? लोकशाही था? Looking to their enthusiasm, we are just enjoying it. Election Commissioner, respected Bakal sir, the principal of Satpura Convent of Scholars, is just arrived here. He is going to look forward if this process is going smoothly or not. अभी हमारा स्टूडेंट साइरा जिंगरे है. So let's ask him how he feels and what changes he wants from our department.
Ma'am,
So what changes you want in cultural department?
cultural department, I think so. They must have much important to quiz competitions because it increases knowledge and other things. And some boys who cannot express their thoughts, their facts. Again, there are many things. So they will get chance to express.
So you want your captain to be that disciplined. So what did you think about health and discipline too?
Yeah. So I think he must.
He or she?
Okay, you can choose anything. So I think he or she must implement a rule that is everyone must keep a napkin with them when we are eating the food before it means everyone must
Have the napkins.
yeah.
So you want those discipline sectors to be guided by them.
Yeah.
And what about sports department?
Talking about sport department, so everyone gives a very great importance to only cricket.
Cricket. Exactly.
But no one gives importance to football, badminton, kho-kho, again some sports other. So I think the head must give much importance to other sports also. Thank you.
Because are here having their first vote done. So let's ask them how they really feel. So girls, how are you feeling?
I am very glad to have a first vote. हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने हमें 18 वर्ष के बाद वोट करने का अधिकार दिया है, बट हमारे स्कूल ने हमें डेमोक्रेटिक फील देने के लिए हमें इसी उम्र में 12 और 13 साल की उम्र में हमें अपॉर्चुनिटी दी है कि हम वोट करें. इसीलिए कि हम हमारी डेमोक्रेटिक फील हमें डेमोक्रेटिक फील का एहसास हो. थैंक यू.
Our election officer, respected Yankar sir, assistant election officer Vanchari sir, and their members are sitting over here. So let's ask them, is this process is going smoothly or not?
स्मूथली.
तो अभी तक कितने बच्चे हो चुके हैं और कितने बाकी हैं?
अभी तक 40% हो चुका है, चालू है, हो जाएगा.
स्मूथली हो रहा है सर. Thank you, sir. क्या आप लोगों का वोटिंग हो चुका है? How's the George? How's the George? How's the George? Guys, we have Chetan, Om and Spandan with us. They are nominated for the post of head boy who will represent our school. So let's ask them, are they still friends or they are fighting with each other?
No, are you a good friend right now?
Yes, it is not important for us who wins and who defeats.
If any one of us wins, we will help them anyway and to reach our school to the new horizons of success in future.
As you see, our students are still friends and they are cooperating with each other in these elections too. So, what's your name? आपको कैसे लग रहा है हमारी स्कूल फर्स्ट टाइम डेमोक्रेसी का पार्लियामेंट का ये सिस्टम कंडक्ट कर रही है?
हम हमारे स्कूल को डेमोक्रेसी को फील देने के लिए थैंक यू कहना चाहते हैं.
for the post of head girl. So Pranjali, how are you feeling? Is there any chance of winning or losing?
Actually, I think winning or losing it's not important for us. But I think firstly I want to thanks to my school for providing this greatest opportunity to us. And I think there is no need to change our school for betterment as our school is best provider for us. But for the cooperation of our school, I want to be a head girl.
She wants to be head girl for just to be coordinate between the students and teachers. Right, Pranjali? Thank you so much for your service. So here we have Sadakshi Wankhede with us, who although fills nomination form but wins without any opponent. So let's ask her what she really feels.
It's all about my luck that I won without any competitor, and I would like to say thanks to my friend that they give me their support without any voters. हार के जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं और बिना वोट के जीतने वाले को शताक्षी कहते हैं.
We have Parag Garge with us. Let's ask him what strategies did he make as he is nominated for the captainship of cultural department.
आता मी जसं सगळ्या क्लासमध्ये गेलेलो होतो, सगळ्या क्लासमध्ये मी सांगितलं की मलाच निवडून आणा. सगळ्या क्लासमध्ये मी सांगितलं की मला निवडून, कारण की प्रत्येक मुलाला अशी अपेक्षा असते की त्याला कॅप्टन हा चांगलाच मिळावा. तर मी असं सांगितलं की मी तुमचा कॅप्टन बनू शकतो, म्हणून मी सगळ्या क्लासमध्ये सांगितलं की मी समजा मला कॅप्टन पदासाठी तुम्ही मला वोट द्या. थँक्यू.